Breaking health news: whooping cough, or pertussis, is on the rise across the United States. This highly contagious respiratory infection is seeing its highest case numbers in a decade. This is caused by the Bordetella pertussis bacteria. It spreads through coughing or sneezing. And while it may start with cold-like symptoms, it can quickly escalate to severe coughing fits and breathing difficulties. Early signs include a runny nose, mild cough, and low-grade fever. Severe cases bring intense coughing fits, a distinctive whooping sound, and even vomiting. This year, New Hampshire has reported 51 cases, which is a significant increase. Experts attribute this rise to a return to pre-pandemic trends. The best defense is vaccination. Please see your doctor for further assistance.